Do you feel like not enough people give credit to the challenges and the struggles of kids from film families? Do you feel like it's low hanging fruit to knock?
No, I think see we have it relatively simpler. We have an inherent understanding that we are given by having people around to help us and guide us. You have an entire force of your family who knows this. How can somebody who's coming in from a place from in Punjab or from Bengal or from say a city like Indore coming in, that boy or girl has nobody. So
Right.
it's an emotionally different. You're emotionally at a much better place. Okay?
Sure.
That does not mean your talent is better, or it's just you're better. You're at a better starting point.
Right.
The door is open. You go in. What you do,
That's
the audience still decides.
right.
I cannot take away Karthik's struggle, but I had my own struggle.
Right.
So you cannot equate it.
Sure.
I had a more personal struggle. I dealt with things that, let's put it this way, contextually, for all of you all to understand. He came from a very, from my opinion, he came from a very simple, basic, happy family. Father does a job, the mother also, she's a housewife. They lived in a nice second-tier city. The boy had aspirations. He came here, he went through a struggle.
Right.
But he had a family and house that was beyond the clutter, it was clean.
Correct.
I had everything in the world, so to say. But I had separated parents. So my scarring is very different from his struggle. But it is still a struggle. I had to manage without having both my parents available to me at all times. So when I needed both of them, I didn't have them.
Right.
So my circumstances are different from his. My struggle is different.
Right.
How do you equate whose is more, whose is less?
Right.
That is not. How can you? आप बोल सकते हो किसकी ज़्यादा है, किसकी कम है इस चक्कर में नहीं ना. But yes, definitely. Like I keep saying, I love the fact that this industry is one of the most. It is in comparison to a lot of places. You know, जब बाप कुछ करता है तो उसका बेटा ही eventually करता है. यहाँ पे audience decide करती है कि बेटा लायक है या नहीं लायक है.
Right.
और मैं शायद बन गया हूँ. मुझ जैसे बहुत आए हैं जो नहीं बने. So for every example that gets stated in the obvious, there are a lot more examples that have tried and
Who
failed.
tried and failed, that's
so the
true.
opportunity has been abused badly,
Correct.
and the audience has said no.
Right.
मैं आज जाके ऑडिशन किया. वो मेरा हार्डवर्क है, मेरी टाइमिंग थी उस समय यार, वो सही पड़ गया. शायद मुझसे कोई बेहतर होता, पर उन्होंने मुझे चुना. और ठीक है, आपको लगता है कि मैं काबिल नहीं हूं, लेकिन ऑडियंस को लगा ना. You have to respect that.
Right.
And it's the same for any other actor. Today, at the end of the day, films चलेंगी और काम मिलता है. The one thing, like I said, emotionally, the foundation for us is far simpler. We live in the city. For people coming in from outside, it's a little tricky, the place. You know, you might miss the first opportunity. You might
Right.
use the wrong opportunity. Who will guide you? Casting directors कैसे मिले? I've seen all that
Yeah.
from a
yeah.
peripheral
I mean,
space.
those were a lot of the questions that came up yesterday.
And it is
Yeah,
very
yeah.
tricky. So, like when I see actors making it, I feel it's an amazing. Like I want to encourage people come.
Right.
I genuinely believe this here. बहुत काम है, सबके लिए काम है. I'm not somebody who believes that there is no talent outside and we should be insular about our approach and only the people that have grown up here understand it. There's enough knowledge here. There's enough understanding today because of kids sitting here. I'm sure one of them will break out soon and become somebody in one of the fields that they want to aspire to, and they'll be sitting here and talking. It's become very, very open.
Right. You know, Arjun, I want to bring up your uncle because Anil
Wow.
is he's the subject this year of the Jagran Film Festival's retrospective. We're screening a whole bunch of his
Don't
films.
tell him that. He's too young to be on a retrospective.
I was very surprised that he agreed. You know, I was
Like-
very surprised. We're playing.
अर्जुन की पुरानी पिक्चर देखा, मैं तो डेब्यूटेंट हूँ.
What was it like working with him on Mubaraka?
Outstanding, amazing, fantastic, mind-blowing, jackass. But yeah, the thing with him is he loves himself. So I'll tell you what. Mubaraka for me was unique because I love him and I got to do a film with him. So then the first day of shooting, I got really excited. I told the VFX guys, you know, we did a shot where three of us are dancing together in that song, Goggle Park Energy.
Yeah.
There's a shot of us dancing where we're all dancing. I said, yeah, do the VFX of this rough one. Composite me and both of them. And it was a complicated
Yeah,
shot.
yeah.
I said, just get it. I want to show it to him because I felt he'll be really excited to see ek Anil Chachu, do Arjun. It's very cool. That's what we had imagined doing the film.
Correct.
So the whole day we shot. In the evening they came, the VFX guys came, and I showed him the phone. I said, you know, Anil Chachu, here, they've done the shot. So he started watching. I played again. Fuck, I'm looking damn good, yeah.
He's missed the whole point of why he was showing it to him.
And he left. And that's Anil Kapoor. There were two Arjun Kapoors there. But he noticed Anil Kapoor. So he used to take me to the video says after the shot. I don't go to the assistant, see my take again and again because I feel once it's okay, the director knows. I don't.
Right.
He's the opposite. He goes after every take to see. That's his process.
Sure.
He said, come, chal. He starts watching the take. And I was... So I'm like, okay, it's funny, yeah, but I don't find myself funny. That's not the point. But he's laughing at his 18th take of the same line. I'm too good, I'm outside. Mind-blowing. He's happy with his own take. But he still wants to do one more. So I'm like, can you decide? Do you love your takes or do you want more? He's a child. He loves himself and that is why he is what he is. And you need to love yourself as an actor, which is what I learned out of that film. I said, even I need to enjoy the fact that I'm in front of the camera. I cannot be so timid about it. He celebrates every day on set and that's amazing. And he works. अरे इतनी रिहर्सल कराता है वो आदमी, इतनी रिहर्सल कराता है और फिर इतने टेक कराता है वो आदमी, पर उसका नतीजा ये है कि परफॉर्मेंस सबकी अलग लेवल पे जाती है. बट ही इज नॉट स्कैर्ड ऑफ डूइंग रिहर्सल, ही इज नॉट स्कैर्ड मैंने फर्स्ट टेक ओके किया, दैट्स नॉट हिज हाई. हिज थिंग इज आज हमने जो सीन किया है ना अर्जुन, दिस इज द बेस्ट सीन ऑफ योर करियर. I swear on my kids, this is the best scene of his career. Now, it might not be, but he has done it with so much of excitement and happiness that he believes that this scene is the best scene of our career. Well, I've never done a better scene than this.
Right.
So he goes to that level of conviction and he works. That is why for him, Anis Bazmi and Zoya Akhtar both love him equally.
True.
And I think that should be an achievement for every actor to aspire.
Yeah.
Both ends of the spectrum should want to work with you and you should give them the same love and respect when you do.
Arjun, you made a film with, I mean, you're working with directors who, a lot of actors would really give their left arm to work with. You're working with, you made a film with Dibakar Banerjee. You've got a film coming out with Ashutosh Gwarikar. What are those experiences like when you're working with, I mean, is an actor allowed to have a voice when, I mean, are they encouraging?
Yeah.
I mean, do you feel like,
So, okay,
I mean, these are big guys.
I'll talk about both of them.
Yeah.
Very different people. So Dibakar's film is very personal and intimate. And Dibakar as a person also will, like I prepped for Dibakar's film for 3 months. We shot 45 days. So it's a 90-day prep, contractually put in for a 45-day prep. And he said, that's what I need from you. So I'm playing a Jat in that film with a dialect. So he every day came and we used to read nursery rhymes and storybooks in the language. With the dialect.
Nice.
And he used to talk to me and we used to talk to each other. So I was the character talking to him, he was the character talking to me. We never did the scenes. We spoke about life. He got to know about me. And we sat together and I asked him, I said, sir, is this what... He said, yeah, I enjoy this. Maybe it's a bit extreme. But what it does is, it lets go of all the inhibitions for me where you are concerned and I'm looking at you as the character, you are looking at me as the person who's helping you reach the character. We are not Dibakar and Arjun. So the
Correct.
names go out of the window.
Correct.
I think Ashu sir, one of the most gracious people I've worked with, one of the most encouraging. People might believe because he makes such big magnum opuses and such big stories and tales and epics, he might have a very clear vision of what he wants, so he doesn't make you part of it. He's somebody who's taken us along for the ride with us. You know, he's not just taken us as actors.
Right.
So whether it's a song, whether it's a scene, whether it's a dialogue, he comes and he'll put it in front of you and say, what do you feel about it? Might not always listen, but that is fair because he knows the story better. He also will allow you in a take to try it your way. Even today when I'm dubbing, that man comes every day for the dub. Every scene, every line is okayed by him in that moment because he knows as actor aake perform phir se karega mera scene. I want to okay his take there and then so he doesn't have to come back because I'll hear it later in the mix and say I don't like the way he's dubbed it. Because that will crush the actor any which ways that अरे यार मैंने इतनी मेहनत की थी और आपने तो उसको use ही नहीं किया. And then you're running against time, so your performance suffers. That's how meticulous he is. He comes, so he edits in the morning, he dubs in the afternoon, and he goes back to VFX in the night. And that shows how much passion that man has for this film he's making. He's been planning this film for 3 years. He prepped on it for 2 years. He's shot it now. We shot it. It took us 7-8 months to shoot. And now we're on the threshold of the release. But at no point have I ever felt that I was disregarded in the making of the film. I always feel like he's included us in it. Fantastic.